Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, you have to select language. I'll stay with English. Next you tap start. Next you have to select your country. Let's select, for example, Nepal. Tap next. Next you can connect your SIM card if you have one, but if you don't have one you can just do it later. Next you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now. Next you have to agree with the user agreement and privacy policy. Tap next. Next, Google services. If you want you can leave them, if you want you can just disable them like this. But in any case, you'll have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And next, you can set up your lock screen, but you can skip this step and do it in settings later. And that's it. Phone is ready, is almost ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.